My name is Juan Jose and I will analyze paper 1, 2016 sample. First, I will divide my evaluation in two aspects. The most important, the two aspects will be things that I make very well and the others that I have to improve. Related to the report that I be made about this examination. First, in the introduction of this text, I find that the structure of this of the introduction is helping me and it helps the reader to identify what will be the subject of study in this essay, even though some phrases and some connection between text is not very clearly. For example, in the first lines, we can see there is no total coherence because it starts without any hook to the reader, so it is difficult to understand the first part of this essay. Second, with the body of the essay, I begin describing the two texts and while I'm analyzing one text, I'm also referring to the other text. I think that this is a strong strategy, since by this way you can analyze the two texts with balance, and you will not analyze one text more than the other. Well, I think that what I have to improve is the identification of some specific elements such as stylistic devices and literary features and stylistic features, because during my whole essay it was not so evident analysis of the stylistic devices and the whole effect that these devices has over the reader. So, for example, related to criterion A of understanding and comparison of the text, in my opinion, I think that I have a strong strategy, and it was that I was able to contrast or to compare both texts in terms of some characteristics of, for example, it was at the beginning with a topic, then audience, then context, the type of text. I think it is very important to identify and to be able to tell which type of text is text B and text C. Um, Related to criterion B, I of the understanding of the use and effects of stylistic features, as I said, I feel that I missing some and further analysis related to this topic. And in criterion C, I think it is the essay has clear organization and structure, but sometimes the phrases are not clear and they don't have a clear connection between them. So by that, it is easy to lose the main idea. The main ideas of each paragraph are not very clear to understand. And in language, I have a huge amount of grammatical errors. Related to the content of this text, it was very difficult to analyze the audience of of text D, since it was about irony, because the author was talking with irony, and it was very difficult to analyze this irony in the text. Second, the audience, as I said, the audience, it was, since I had this audience rank, the comparison and with text C, it was wrong, so that take me some points on the evaluation. What I feel that it was that I had as a strong ability, it was the possibility to identify the atmosphere and the theme of each text, even though if I was wrong with the main idea of the theme of each text. For example, I was able just to talk about the theme of the common theme between these two texts, and it was the people. And I was able to explain this theme at the beginning of the essay. Well, I okay, and that's it. Thanks.